Hey guys, and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to speak about the set of whole numbers, but before I start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't hesitate to send me your math questions on social media so I can solve it here on YouTube. So basically, last time I explained about the natural set and I ended up my video by asking about the difference between the natural set and the whole set. And if we go back to the natural set, I said that the natural set, which is denoted by letter N, capital N, or N with index 1, because it starts with number 1, is a set that includes the numbers that used for counting. Yani as you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And also guys, if you have a natural number and you want to guess the next number, all what you have to do, you have to add 1. And it's clear that natural set doesn't have a maximum number because you can keep adding 1 till infinity. And also, as you see, it have a minimum point, so the last or the least natural number is 1, but we don't have a maximum number. Now what's the difference between the natural set and the whole set? In fact, we have a small difference between these two sets, in which in the whole set we have an additional number which is 0. And as you see guys, the whole set, which is denoted by N0 because it starts with N0, so in the whole set we have exactly the same element that we have it in the natural set, but we have an additional element which is the 0 element. And here guys, if you look at the elements of the natural set, of the whole set, it's clear that all natural numbers are whole numbers, because if you pick any natural number you can find this number in the whole set. So all natural numbers are whole numbers. Of course, the opposite, it's not true, because if you choose 0, 0 is a whole number, but it's not a natural number. Now let me continue by giving some basic properties related to the whole set. So basically guys, we have exactly the same properties as the natural set, in which if you add two numbers or two whole numbers, the result will be a whole number, like 1 plus 5 is 6, which is a whole number. Same thing, the product or the multiplication of two whole numbers is a whole number, like 5 times 11 is 55, which is also a whole number. Same as the natural set, in which if you subtract two whole numbers, the result is not necessarily a whole number. Like for example, 5 minus 7 is negative 2. As you see, 5 is a whole number, 7 is a whole number, but negative 2 is not a whole number. Same thing, if you divide two whole numbers, the result is not necessarily a whole number. Like 5 over 2 is equal to 2.5. and 2.5 is not a whole number. We have, or we can add additional properties concerning the 0, in which if you multiply any number or any whole number or any number later on by 0, the result will be 0. So 0 times number is a 0. Number times 0 is same as 0. Same thing if you divide 0 by any number, so the result will be 0. But of course you are not allowed to divide by 0, yani we don't have the number 0 over 0. But you have to pay attention that we are not allowed to divide by 0, because if you divide by 0, the result, yani number divided by 0, is undefined. So this is everything concerning the whole set. In my next video I'm going to speak about the set of integers, so stay tuned guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.